Hello everyone. As we are discussing the Unfriended Dark Web. The Unfriended Dark Web is a made on 2018, made by director Steven Soska. The all characters in Unfriended Dark Web include Matthias, Amaya, Serena, Harry, Dagmar, AJ, and Lex. The Sinister Group or the Circle, led by Sharon the Fourth and other members of the Circle. Plus, additionally, characters Kelly and Erica. The Unfriended Dark Web is a heart-pounding techno-thriller horror film that dives into the darkness corner of the internet, where a group of friends discover that their lives are being manipulated and threatened by sinister force, lurking in the shadow of the dark web, although the lens of a laptop screen. In other question in this, is there any ICT trends discussed in the film? Yes. Unfriended Dark Web explore the darker side of a tech, delving into ICT trends like dark web anonymity, surveillance, and cyber extortion, highlighting the potential dangers of online activities. The film showcased the risks of compromised device and importance of securing personal data in a hyper-connected world. The other question, are there any internet threads shown in the films? An Unfriended Dark Web is a masterfully crafted thriller that plunged viewers into the darkness, the most unsettling corner of the internet, weaving together complex, a complex web of cybercrime, surveillance, and identity theft that culminates a suspenseful, heart-pumping. What are some lessons you learned from this film? Unfriended Dark Web teaches valuable lessons about the importance of protecting personal info online, being cautious with public Wi-Fi and unknown device, thinking before sharing sensitive content, and being aware of online surveillance and cyber threats. And that's all I wanted to say. Unfriended Dark Web, done.